I am Heavy Weapons Guy, and this is my weapon. He weighs 2.1 kilograms and fires 17-cent headshot high-impact rounds at 1,000 rounds a minute. It costs $34 to fire this blaster for 12 seconds. Oh my God! Who touched Tyr? What? Who touched my gun? Some people think they can outsmart me. Maybe. Maybe. But I have yet to meet one that can outsmart Bo.
Try some more! Try some more! Oops, that wasn't medicine. Oh!
Take it like a man, Shorty. How'd that feel, you wimp? Ah.
Never liked you anyways.
How's that feel, you blockhead?
Thanks for standing still, mate.
Bloody
This is
hell!
right over there.
Let's go get the
Let's
key.
go.
Dumb coughs.
Look, there's the briefcase.
Red team's been walked out.
Where's the heavy gunner?
He's right behind us, isn't he?
Try some more.
Gentlemen, I believe we must pool our resources to defeat the heavy.
He must go down.
We're getting killed out there, mates.
If fighting is sure to result in victory, then we must fight.
What he said.
Yes.
I never liked you.
What monster sent me these babies to fight?
Take that,
Try some more.
Kaboom! Take it like a man, Shorty. Take that, you wimp. Take that, you wimp. Oops, that wasn't medicine.
How's this feel, you bloody butthole?
Oh, he died on his own accord. Excuse me, sir. Hold that for me. Bonk. I stole your catchphrase. Just kidding. Not yours.
Bonk! Bam! Bam! Oops, that was not the medicine. Bang! Thanks for standing still, wanker. Bang! Beauty! Bang! Good night, mate. Bang! Thanks for standing still, you wanker. Bang! Beauty! Bang! Bang! Thanks for standing still, mate. Oh. Take it like a man, shorty. Ha! Here. It's on a man. Ah! I love it. Come here!
With my apologies.
Come here! Now you go to sleep. Come here! Rocket jump!
How's that feel, you blockhead? Angel of death!
Let me help you with that. Gentlemen.
Slightly different heroic pose. Sneezing is not a heroic pose.